Whoa, dude, holy crap.
Not as warm with highs in the lower 80s. Needed at times 10 miles an hour, becoming east.
Wait a minute, that's a different station.
Until 5:30 p.m. At 4:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 2 miles north of Allen to 6 miles southeast of Woodside, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size.
Uh-oh.
Severe thunderstorms will be near Wakefield around 4:50 p.m. Winter and Emerson around 5 p.m. Taylor and Thurston around 5:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Wakefield.
Sorry, my recon was off.
There's a...
Now, I need to find out what the station is.
A chance of showers and thunderstorms near 30 p.m. for the following.
Oh, that's Columbus? Oh, it sounds way different.
And the relative humidity 45%.
Alright, that sounds way different, though.
Stop preparing festing. In other words,
Real makes good if you
when was we second or man 5 tubes
announcements about
and 2:20.
Alright, hang on, I got a notification right here. Sorry, this room is still a mess. Still trying to unpack stuff and everything, but I don't have a lot of room. Oh, here we go, yeah. 95, well, that's awesome. Oh, great. That's lovely. Alright, so it begins, folks. Yippee. I gotta find out where I need to plug this sucker at.
Your thunderstorm watch
Right.
number 424, effective until 12 a.m. Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Cass, Lancaster, Sarpy, Saunders, and Seward. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, customers should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 424 has been issued until 12 a.m. Tuesday for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Cass, Lancaster, Sarpy, Saunders, and Seward. Now for the official.
You suck.
Tuesday night, partly cloudy until midnight. Then
Well, there it is. I knew it was coming, and, man, and they... Wow, that was actually a lot more louder than what I thought. Well, what was that? Anyways, yeah, that's about it. about that time. If it gets way too chaotic, I may have to turn some of these off. So, yeah. Yeah, we don't want that to be the case. Oh. I could have gone to another station for that. I keep always forgetting that other stations could go off for that. Not FM stations, but you know what I mean. Well, it's about that time again. You know it's June, so yeah, you know it was June in Nebraska. That's pretty much all I can say. I know it's still clear as day. Might not be for much longer though, because if we're in it, then you know it's gonna be something. But yep. And you are a piece of junk.
Kansas City. Northwestern Monona County, northwestern Burke County, northeastern Cumming County in northeastern Nebraska, eastern Thurston County in northeastern Nebraska until 6 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Homer to 4 miles west of Waldo to 5 miles east of Laser, moving at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour.
Baptism in water, 6.
91.5, hang on.
East of Wisner, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency. At 5:13 p.m., 60 to 65 miles per hour winds were recorded near Thurston. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Oh, this is 2300. Let's go.
Tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This includes Interstate 23 mile markers 112 and 125. Those will be around 5:45 p.m. to an interior room or the lowest floor of a building. Other locations in the beautiful storm warning has been issued for the following counties in Nebraska. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 112 and 125. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Burt, Cumming, and Thurston.
Okay. Well, that's that. Hang on a second. And here's everything right here. That's the one that I just got. I need to pay attention to see. Oh, there's some stuff over there in Hastings too. That's not surprising there. Topeka, or Kansas City. That's surprising. Topeka. That's also surprising. Oh, looks like it got Sioux Falls as well. Which, I don't know why I pay attention to Sioux Falls. I highly doubt I can get any Sioux Falls station now, but yeah. I was able to get some of it. Some of it set it up, but yeah. Alright, well, there you have it, 2300. I was trying to keep track of it. I had zero idea about where what about. Because I wasn't sure if it was at 196, like, yeah, like 2296 when I started this. But I was at 2296 when we started this. So, there you go. EAS 2300. Yes, sir? Crap. Oh, yeah.
hail. This is a radar indicated threat. Around 6:40 p.m. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Burt, Cumming, Dodge, and Washington.
I didn't think it would actually be difficult to get Omaha, but jeez. All right, well, I think there's a way.
North 5.
I guess I could do that. Okay. If I can turn off the radio, and yet this happens.
Came out and took responsibility.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties. Central Deal Denton. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cuban around 6:30 p.m. After around 6:40 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Burt, Cumming, Dodge, and Washington. Severe thunderstorm warning.
I just missed this one here though. Probably just for that. Yeah, right as I turn off the radio, that's when I got the notification saying that it was going off. I didn't know if it was a new one at first, but yep. Well, you know, it was.
Northwestern Douglas County, northeastern Saunders County, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 2 miles southwest of Modale to 3 miles northeast of Arlington to 3 miles north of Cedar Bluffs, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. This is radar indicated threat. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to county until 7:45 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 2 miles southwest of Modale to 3 miles north. 7:10 p.m. Around 7:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Bennington, Colon, and Flanagan Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The radar indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and Douglas. Saunders and Washington thunderstorms will be near Iowa, Fremont, Blair, Arlington, Cedar Bluffs, Kennard, Eaglewood, and Whitcliffe around 7 p.m. Fort Calhoun around 7:10 p.m. Valley and Lake Powell around 7:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Bennington, Colon, and floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm
And now you decide to turn on.
issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Dodge, Douglas, Saunders and Washington, and Harrison, Iowa. Dodge, Douglas, Saunders and Washington.
88.1, by the way.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Harrison County in southwestern Iowa, Washington County, southeastern Dodge County, northwestern Douglas County, northeastern Saunders County until 7:45 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 2 miles southwest of Modale to 3 miles northeast of Arlington to 3 miles north of Cedar Bluffs, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicator. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Harrison County in southwestern Iowa, Washington County, southeastern Dodge County, northwestern Douglas County, northeastern Saunders County until 7:45 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 2 miles southwest of Modale to 3 miles northeast of Arlington to 3 miles north of Cedar Bluffs, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicating threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Fremont, Blair, Arlington, Cedar Bluffs, Kennard, Inglewood, and Woodcliff around 7 p.m. Fort Calhoun around 7:10 p.m. Valley and Lake Shara around 7:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Bennington, Colon, and Flanagan Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Dodge, Douglas, Saunders and Washington, and Harrison, Iowa.
That didn't take long at all for this sucker to happen. That didn't take long at all. And it is getting a little cloudy out there, but it's not too bad. So, yeah, had to rush over here, so, yeah. Oh, they all went off at the same time now.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Potawatomi County and southwestern Iowa, northwestern Sarpy County, southeastern Washington County, Douglas County, southeastern Saunders County, and Wayne County. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Potawatomi County and southwestern Iowa, northwestern Sarpy County, southeastern Washington County, Douglas County, southeastern Saunders County until 8 p.m. At 7:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7:16 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Fort Calhoun to 3 miles northwest. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour.
And Standing Bear Lake around 7:20 p.m. Boys Town.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. The radar indicates that wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Omaha, Bennington, Elkhorn, Valley, Utah, Waterloo, Meade, Flanagan Lake, and Standing Bear Lake around 7:20 p.m. Boys Town, Ithaca, Benson, and Thorne around 7:25 p.m. Eppley Airfield and Orinsky Lake around 7:25 p.m. Millard, Carter Lake Airfield and Orinsky Lake around 7:35 p.m. Millard, Carter Lake. Other locations in the path of severe thunderstorms include northwestern Council Bluffs. Other locations in the path La Vista, Prairie School Recreation Area, Council Bluffs, West Bend Lake, Bellevue, Papillion, and Walden Recreation Areas. People attending Charles Schwab Field should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways. Interstate 29 between mile markers 47 and 55. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 4. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 432 and 454. Interstate 80 for your protection move to markers 432 and 454. For your protection move to... I'm Carlos.
Jesus. God.
Take 50 miles.
It means
Try me.
egg. So we know if you take your coffee, or if you like to stay a while. It means we help
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Potawatomi County in southwestern Iowa, northwestern Sarpy County, southeastern Washington County, Douglas County, southeastern Saunders County until 8 p.m. At 7:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fort Calhoun to 3 miles northwest of Flanagan Lake to 2 miles southeast of Colon, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour thunderstorm warning for southwestern Potawatomi County in southwestern Iowa, northwestern Sarpy County, southeastern Washington County, Douglas County, southeastern Saunders County until 8 p.m. At 7:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fort Calhoun to 3 miles northwest of Flanagan Lake to 2 miles southeast of Colon, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Omaha, Bennington, Elkhorn, Valley, Utah, Waterloo, Meade, Flanagan Lake, and Standing Bear Lake around 7:20 p.m. Boys Town, Ithaca, Benson, and Florence around 7:25 p.m. Etley Airfield and Dorinth Lake around 7:30 p.m. Miller, Carter Lake, Meadtown, Exarban, and Chilco around 7:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include northwestern Council Bluffs, Ralston, Gretna, La Vista, Prairie Queen Recreation Area, South Omaha, Warespan Lake, Bellevue, Papillion, and Walnut Creek Recreation Area. People attending Charles Schwab Field should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 47 and 55.
We're hit.
Jesus. Looks like they were brewing. They're coming. I can see them coming. If only this thing could freaking focus, that would have been nice. God, we're not doing May 18th again.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Madison County in northeastern Nebraska, northwestern Platte County in northeastern Nebraska, east central Boone County in northeastern Nebraska until 8:15 p.m. At 7:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles west of Newman Grove, or 8 miles northeast of Albion, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Newman Grove around 7:30 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Boone, Madison, and Glenn. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
April
for
18th.
southwestern Ottawa.
Dude, I tell you one thing, that event was nuts. I don't want another one of these. They're here. God.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Mills County and southwestern Iowa, southwestern Potawatomi County and southwestern Iowa, northeastern Lancaster County and southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Douglas County, southeastern Saunders County, central Cass County and southeastern Nebraska until 8:30 p.m. At 7:41 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Castle Bluff to 5 miles south of Ithaca, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards radar indicated threat. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near southeastern Omaha, Council Bluffs, South Lake, indicated threat. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near southeastern Omaha, Council Bluffs, Bellevue, Victoria, Air Force Base, Bellevue, Battalion, off Air Force Base, La Vista, Ashland, Springfield, Prairie Queen Recreation Area, and Wallet. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska.
Warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska.
Oh. Bah. Always keep missing one on a different station. Oh. Here we go. Hastings issued one.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Mills County in southwestern Iowa, southwestern Potawatomi County in southwestern Iowa, Sandy County, northeastern Lancaster County, southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Douglas County, southeastern Saunders County, central Cass County, and southeastern Nebraska. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Mass County in central Nebraska, northeastern Merritt County in central Nebraska until 8:30 p.m. At 7:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near St. Edward, or 14 miles southeast of Albion, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazard.
The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Huh?
northeastern Nance County in central Nebraska, northeastern Merritt County in central Nebraska.
Air Force Base, La Vista, Ashland, Springfield, Prairie Queen Recreation Area, and Walnut Creek Recreation Area around 7:45 p.m. Lewisville, Greenwood, and Cedar Creek around 7:50 p.m. Plattsmouth, Waverly, and Murdoch around 8 p.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 35 and 45, and between mile markers Cedar Creek around 7:50 p.m. Interstate 80 of Iowa between mile markers 1 and around 8 p.m. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 411 and 439. Between mile and 400 between mile markers 50 and 53. Interstate 80 of Iowa between mile markers 1 and 3.
I just sent the file. Reading about where the views of the death penalty are shifting and changing. The latest Gallup poll shows that when they say it's the things.
And they're here. Oh my. Feels like I'm close to the clouds right now. That's nice. That's insane. I don't know if that's actually storm clouds, but my goodness. Ain't that something to look at? My goodness. Oh boy. Oh my god, I think I see a freaking water spout. Oh my god, I see a water spout in there. I literally just saw a water spout. Holy cow, I saw a water spout in there. That's crazy. A small water spout. Hold on a second. Give me a minute. Still trying to get used to these sort of blinds right here. Still getting used to that. I saw one right here, I believe. It was somewhere right there. I saw like a little water spout and it disappeared immediately. Well, yeah, those are storm
Surprise,
clouds.
mother.
Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh, you freaking... You suckers, you expanded it.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 424 remains in effect until 12 a.m. Tuesday and now includes the following county: Odo, Nebraska. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area.
I can't even see it anymore.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 424 remains in effect until 12 a.m. Tuesday.
For the following counties, Nebraska, Butler, Colfax, Dodge.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 424 remains in effect until...
Okay, well, thanks for that. I was trying to I'm trying to talk to some people here. But yeah, those are definitely moving. Oh, they're coming in close, actually. Yeah. Whew. Oh boy. I was just doing that, and looks like this poll will have to be included now. Platt.
West of Monroe, or 17 miles southeast of Albion, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact people and animals outdoors.
At 7:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Monroe, or 17 miles southeast of Albion, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour.
Jesus, it's coming in quick.
Hazards include ping pong ball size hail.
Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Duncan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties: Flint, Nebraska.
Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Duncan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating,
This
a
thing's finally
severe
working.
thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following county: Flint, Nebraska.
They finally got this a second working. Look at this. That is coming near us. Holy cow. There's a lot of pink in there.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties: in Nebraska, Cass, Douglas, Lancaster, Sarpy, and Saunders.
There's the one right there.
Following counties: in Iowa, Mills, and Potawatomi. Severe thunderstorm watch number 44 remains in effect.
This is insane. Let's see if I can actually open this window here. There's a way. Place all these things that was up on the window back up. I believe I can. Okay, that's oh. Hey. There we go. Can't do it all too much though. Ooh. Oh, these windows squeak. And that's my main pet peeve. When it squeaks like that. Hate squeaking noises. Hastings. Dear or Greeley and Nance. I know this. Oh, it actually is going off. Oh, it wasn't.
The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greeley County in central Nebraska, west central Nance County in central Nebraska, until 8:45 p.m. 8:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm near Greeley Center for 21 miles south, 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact and damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of Greeley and west central Nance counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Nebraska, Greeley, and Nance. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until...
Oh, I just have this one on because to get myself ready. But, oh, I gotta charge this thing quick. So, yeah, I gotta save up storage too. I need to try to transfer all of this stuff over to this sucker right here because if I do it on that, I'm probably gonna run out of room. But we'll see what happens. And because this one has a lot more room than this one, so that's how I finally got Absolute Craziness 13 up. But yeah, if this leads up to something like what happened on the 18th today, then this is definitely going to be 14 because tomorrow obviously is going to be the big show because there's an enhanced wrist there. I believe we're an enhanced wrist on both days. I don't think this thing is loading. Screw you. Got this sucker up though. Yeah, this is what is happening today. This is what's happening today. So we are in the slight. And for day 2, let's take a look. Day 2 is pretty far. Awesome. The frick is day 2? Someone's tall alarm's going off already. The frick? Shut the frick up. Where is day 2? I'll just pull out manually. I don't want to forget about that. My computer is taking a dump. Kill me. Merit Nance Poke.
The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Nance County in central Nebraska, northern Merritt County in central Nebraska, central Polk County until 9:30 p.m. At 8:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Nance County in central Nebraska, northern Merritt County in central Nebraska, central Polk County until 9:30 p.m. At 8:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cedar Rapids to Genoa, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. 40 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Hastings. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Merritt, Nance, and Polk. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect. Contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Hastings. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Merritt, Nance, and Polk.
Immediately, they already canceled the warning, you know, after the watch was issued. So, said weekend below severe limits, but I doubt that. Oh, God. I highly doubt that. But, could be at least one more wave tonight. We'll just have to wait and see here, but there's still that one for Platte till like 8:45. Who knows if that will strengthen or not, but we'll see. We'll see what happens in a little bit. And it's not too cloudy out now, so. Anyway, we'll see. Can I get this one?
Interstate 29 near
I think I
mile
can.
marker 32. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Fremont, and
That
Mills.
was it. Wow. That's shocking.
North winds.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 424 remains in
Wasted. You're the bedroom. Apply for all every time you buy.
Dang it.
Stay the same.
Later.
Hastings,
Most
something.
workplaces, while workers' well-being, you buy.
Oh, Dawson. Never mind.
TV channel,
Now, concern
please.
free app. Thinks that they're going to be an
Whoa, so
influencer,
lightning.
but
Reason you had to go. I'm just.
my
Oh, my.
Money versus.
Yeah, there is some lightning. Let me quickly showcase the warning. Here it is. Oh, there's some over there, actually. Let me see if I can actually turn the flash off. Here we go. Okay. Ooh. That was good, right? That was a good one right there. I think I see a water spout. Whoa. Oh my. I think I got that. Holy cow, dude. Might as well get this, just in case if I get, just in case of if this is not one of those videos, it's just a normal compilation. Might as well get it as a thumbnail. This can also be the thumbnail of the. Ooh.
Lows in the lower 70s. Monday, mostly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. Chance of rain 40%. The Lincoln, Nebraska climate summary for this evening as of 4 p.m. June 16th, 2020.
Woo!
Today's high
I don't know if it caught that in the distance, but
This high was 6 degrees. Normal high of 86. The record high is 105 degrees, which was last set in 1946. Today's low temperature was 69 degrees.
if people also ask me why some of these EAS videos, you know, are super long to begin with, here's your reasoning. I have an excuse. It's something like these. It's recordings like these. I record and I record lightning like this. I got that one for sure. go outside, but the water down there, right? I can't. Oh, I got that one. That was good. Oh, well, I was waiting for something like that where the sky turns purple. I was waiting for that.
In Nebraska, Gage and Celine. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 424 remains in effect until 12 a.m. Tuesday, and now includes the following counties in Nebraska, Gage and Celine.
God damn it, it's for
Severe thunderstorm watch number...
God almighty, Gage had spoken.
'Cause